Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx G here with a new video. So today I'm going to talk about how to fix your dying channel or what you could do to revive your channel. This is a variety channel, so I go over various topics: gaming, tech reviews, tech news, gaming news, all that. So yeah, and tips and tricks on how to grow on YouTube and Twitch. So if you like what you see, like what you hear, please hit that like button. Subscribe, I would appreciate it, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, Ajaxx_G, Ajaxx with 2 X's. Alright, so let's get into this. So the reason why a lot of people have channels that are dying is because they're not uploading consistently. So one thing I noticed that once I started uploading videos on a weekly basis, I started gaining 1 to 2 subscribers every 3 to 5 days. So this has been happening for the past, I want to say, month or two. So I'm actually happy with that because I started this YouTube channel about a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago actually, in August, and I was not getting any traction. My thumbnails looked shitty, and I sounded so nervous while I would produce my videos, because I've gone back and watched my old videos and I'm like, oh my god, like I'm talking to no one essentially, and I sound like I'm in front of an audience, you know. That's one thing. Also, I decided to switch up my channel a little bit. Now I know a lot of people are doing gaming channels and they really want to grow their gaming channels, but that niche is really hard to grow really fast. I'm not saying, hey, change your channel, don't do a gaming channel. What I'm saying is, if you're going to do a gaming channel, find something that makes you unique, especially when you're creating your tags and your titles and your thumbnails and stuff like that. There's 1,000 million freaking Fortnite videos, and everybody wants to be a Fortnite player, and some people are really good and your channel is just not being seen. It has nothing to do about with your skill. It just has to do with the algorithm, and that. Why would I watch your video when I've watched Ali A, Ninja, Tfue, Myth, so on and so forth. So that's one thing that I could say about that. Try to switch up your channel, add a little variety, and obviously, like I said the first time, stay consistent. And your thumbnails, please fix your thumbnails. They don't have to be the same. Like, I started matching up my thumbnails over the past, I want to say 5-6 videos, and I'm starting to getting more traction on those videos. But there's videos where I have 7,000 and 5,000 and 4,000 views, and my thumbnails aren't consistent. So just make sure when you do your tags, they match up with what the content is, and try to have it go into a different genre so you can get more views. Also, when you post and before you upload your video, it asks you what category your video is in. Please make sure you put the category that corresponds with what you're uploading. If you're gonna do a gaming video and you just put gaming and you don't put the name of the game because it tells you recommended, put the name of the game, that's gonna help you out in the long run. Also, if you're gonna do a gaming video and you do and you put in a how-to category, no one's gonna see it because it's in a how-to, unless you're doing how-to this and that in Fortnite. But I would still say make sure you put it in a gaming section. Another thing is, try to build a community. You want to have people that's going to comment down below, give you likes so they can bump up your video, and share it and tell people, oh, you should look at this. That's something as well. I've said this in other videos, but please make sure you're alive on social media. Not saying that you're dead, but please make sure you post daily or every other day on social media, Twitter and Instagram, because these are 2 big platforms for people that are on Twitch and on YouTube. Just make sure your video is fun and lively and something that you would enjoy watching and also someone else would enjoy watching. You don't want to post something that's boring. Yeah, so just try to collab with other people, even if it's not in the same space as you. You never know, you might get viewers from someone else that like your content. But yeah, guys, that's what I have so far. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button if you like what you heard. And I would like to see maybe 10 likes on this video. I really would appreciate it. But thank you guys for watching. Ajaxx out.